Good morning everybody, welcome to my channel. Review natin itong na-discover ko na replacement para sa smoking vape. It's the Nordic Spirit. It's made from Poland and it's manufactured here by JT Philippines. It has 20 pouches inside, small pouches like this. This pouches is pure nicotine and it has 4.8 pure nicotine. I have it here. Iwit nyo lang siya dito sa ilalim ng gilagid nyo for 1 hour ang dun siya naglalast. Marami siyang flavor. Actually meron siyang strong, meron siyang mild, and may iba rin siyang mga flavors. It's good. Hindi siya nakakasira ng gilagid kasi it's pure nicotine, it's not tobacco. Nicotine shots siya, so pag kailangan mo lang ng nicotine, tsaka mo lang siyang lalagay. Actually, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa arms mo para magkaroon ka lang ng nicotine shots. It's good product and I highly recommend it sa mga nagbe-vape dyan na medyo expensive ang vape ngayon. Try this. It's only 135 in the market. Is good for your savings. Thank you.